Good morning, everyone. We have some breaking news. Nikola founder Trevor Milton will voluntarily step down as executive chairman of Nikola. It looks like GM is still in because he is immediately replaced by former GM top executive. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story for daily Tesla news. Christine Wang, Martin Steinberg from CNBC are reporting that Nikola announced early Monday that founder Trevor Milton is voluntarily stepping down from his roles as executive chairman and a member of its boards. The announcement comes after short-selling firm Hindenburg Research accused Nikola of making an ocean of lies. That was a quote. The company pushed back on the accusations, saying there were dozens of inaccurate allegations in the report, and in early Monday tweet, Trevor Milton said, "I intend to defend myself against false allegations revealed against me by outside detractors." Now let's take a look at this in more details. CNBC reports that Nikola announced early Monday that founder Trevor Milton is voluntarily stepping down from his role as executive chairman and a member of its board. The resignation came 10 days after a short-selling firm, Hindenburg, accused the company of making, quote-unquote, an ocean of lies. The stock, which had volatile swings, apparently plunged 27% in pre-market trading today. The electric truck maker said the board accepted Milton's resignation, adding that Stephen Girsky, former vice chairman of General Motors and a member of Nikola's board, has been appointed chairman of the board effective immediately. Since the fact that General Motors, former vice chairman of General Motors, and is Stephen Girsky, is already immediately appointed as chairman of Nikola's board, this tells me that GM is still in, and this is very important for Nikola and Nikola GM partnership. Here's one quote: "Nikola is truly in my blood and always will be, and the focus should be on the company and its world-changing mission, not me," Trevor Milton said in a statement. "So I made the difficult decision to approach the board and volunteer to step aside as executive chairman. Founding Nikola and growing it into a company that will change transportation for the better and help protect our world's climate has been an incredible honor." That was the end of the quote. So here are a couple of things we can think about this, friends. First, Trevor Milton is resigning voluntarily. From this statement, we can see that he has approached the board asking to resign. So the focus of this investigation and all this talk about the company and Hindenburg and so on will go on Nikola, not on him. And GM's former chairman is stepping in and immediately appointed as the chairman of the board, is also a good sign for Nikola, in my opinion, that that GM is in, and this partnership is going to develop to something very good. And let me immediately say that I am not in the stock market. You have heard me saying that several times. I don't have any Nikola shares. I don't have any Tesla shares. I don't plan to buy any shares in the firm. I'm just reporting the news for you guys. And also, looks like Trevor Milton is also aligning himself kind of with Tesla's goal of better protecting our world's climate has been an incredible honor. That means, doing Nikola in order to protect the world's climate and accelerate the change toward more sustainable transportation. So let's move on and see what else. CNBC is also reporting that in a September 10 report 10 days ago titled "Nikola, How to Parlay an Ocean of Lies into a Partnership with the Largest Auto OEM in America," short-selling firm Hindenburg Research accused Nikola of making false statements about Nikola's technology, in order to grow and secure partnerships with auto companies, including General Motors. As you may have already heard or know, GM stock was down more than 4% in Monday's pre-market this morning. The Securities and Exchange Commission in Department of Justice are reportedly investigating claims that the company misled investors. Nikola pushed back several days ago on the Hindenburg accusations, just 2-3 days after the accusations, saying there were, quote unquote, dozens of inaccurate allegations in the report. Some people said Trevor's reply was weak and even admitted that some things that Hindenburg said. In an early Monday tweet, Milton said, "I intend to defend myself against false allegations leveled against me by outside detractors." That was the tweet, and I think we should wait and see how he's going to defend, and we'll see what comes out of all this, and the truth should come to surface. I'm looking for that truth and not trying to bash anyone. CNBC also reported that GM recently took a 11% stake in the company Nikola and said it will produce Nikola's Marquez hydrogen fuel cell electric pickup truck, the Badger, by the end of 2022. Last week, GM CEO Mary Barra said the automaker conducted, quote-unquote, appropriate diligence regarding a $2 billion deal with the electric vehicle startup. Nikola stock has been widely volatile, reports CNBC, this year, rising from $13 at the beginning of May to a current 52-week high of 93.99 in June. The NASDAQ traded shares finished Friday at 34.19. This morning it dropped 25%, I think, another or something like that. But I think the fact that GM is still in is a very good sign for Nikola, and we will see how things will develop in the next 10 or 20 days. CNBC also reports that the company's average volume over the last 10 trading days has come in at 53.2 million shares, though it has only about 361 million shares outstanding. Nikola CEO Mark Russell said the company remains committed to its objectives and creating value for shareholders. Here's a quote from Russell. "Our priorities remain unchanged, and in collaboration with our partners, we are laser focused on executing on our strategic initiatives and laying the groundwork to become a vertically integrated zero-emissions transportation solution provider," Russell said in a statement. Well, friends, let me know what you think about this development. What do you think that Trevor Milton's stepping down voluntarily and GM still being in with Nikola partnership will do for the future of Nikola and its truck? Do you still expect that Nikola Badger will be produced by the end of 2022? In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel, for daily Tesla news, ring the bell, and I'll see you in our next report. Thank you, and we'll see you soon later today.